So let's create a new folder on the desktop, and I'll name it JS Crash Course. Let me cd to this newly created folder, and let me open it up in the Visual Studio Code using code and dot syntax. Now here in the Visual Studio Code, please create two files. First one will be index.html, and the second one will be index.js. In the index.html file, please do following. Please type exclamation mark and press tab. Emmet will expand this abbreviation to basic HTML document, and here in this document we need to add reference to this index.js file. Here in the body section, please add script like that, and here will be single attribute src, and let's specify here name of the file index.js. It is located near index.html file. Let's save changes to the index.html file, and now please go to extensions and search for extension called Live Server. Please install it. It was installed, and now you should see here button Go Live. Let me close this tab and let me hide this left section, and let me close index.html file and keep only index.js file open. And now let me click Go Live button. Starting. And in a few seconds you'll see that this extension will start actually web server and open new tab in the web browser and make connection to localhost IP address and port 55001 or 55000. And basically here now we see HTML document that we just created in the VS Code project. It is of course empty, we didn't add anything except link to the script file, and we actually don't need any contents in this HTML document. We need to open Google Chrome Developer Tools and go to the console there. You could do that by going to View, Developer and click Developer Tools. And afterwards go to console. You'll see here single message live reload enabled, and that's actually a feature of Live Server. Anytime when you make changes in your project, it will reload this web page. Also, let me do following. Let me click here and undock into separate window this console, like that. And now I'll place this console window near the VS Code window. Let me make VS Code window full screen and place console window near it, and on the Mac it is possible even to change width of those two windows, and if you're a Windows user, you could simply change width of the VS Code window and place console window near it in order to be able to see results immediately here. Now anytime when you save index.js file, you'll see that Live Server will actually reload our application. For example, if you type console.log and here let's type ABC and save changes, you'll see ABC here in the console. By the way, console here is an object in JavaScript, log is one of its methods, and using dot notation you could access either properties or methods of the object. Here we call this method, it is actually a function, and as single argument we pass to it string ABC. No worries, we will cover all of that in this JavaScript crash course. And let's get started with declaration of the variables in JavaScript.